Have you ever wondered why people lie, or how you can tell if someone isn't being truthful? Today, we're diving into the fascinating psychology of lying. You'll learn why people lie, the science behind deception, and practical tips to help you spot a lie. Welcome back to Explorasphere. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's uncover the truth. Literally, lying is a universal human behavior. People lie for all sorts of reasons: to avoid punishment, to protect someone's feelings, to gain something, or even just to make themselves look better. In fact, studies show that the average person lies at least once or twice a day. But why? Psychologists explain lying as a social tool. It's often a way to navigate tricky situations or maintain social harmony. For example, saying, "I love your haircut," when you don't, might be a harmless way to avoid hurting someone's feelings. But there are also more harmful lies, like those meant to manipulate or deceive for personal gain. Lying isn't as easy as it seems. When you lie, your brain has to work harder. You're suppressing the truth, constructing a false story, and managing your emotions to make it believable. This mental juggling act happens primarily in the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and self-control. This extra cognitive load is why lies often leak through nonverbal cues. More on that in a moment. Interestingly, some people, like pathological liars, lie so often that it becomes almost second nature, making it harder to detect. Now for the part you've been waiting for: how to spot a lie. Detecting deception often comes down to observing verbal and nonverbal cues. Let's break it down. When someone is lying, their words might give them away. Look for inconsistencies. Does their story change when they retell it? Overly specific details. They may try to overcompensate by adding unnecessary information. Evasion. Do they dodge direct questions or respond vaguely? Also, pay attention to their tone. Liars might hesitate, talk faster, or change their pitch. Nonverbal cues are just as revealing. Watch for body language. Are they fidgeting, avoiding eye contact, or crossing their arms? Micro-expressions. These are quick, involuntary facial expressions that can reveal true emotions, even if they're trying to hide them. Mismatch. Do their words and actions align? Saying "I'm happy" while looking tense can be a red flag. Remember, no single cue is proof of lying. Look for clusters of behaviors and patterns instead of jumping to conclusions. Experts use advanced tools like polygraphs to detect lies, but these aren't foolproof. Polygraphs measure physiological changes like heart rate and sweating, but skilled liars or nervous truth-tellers can skew the results. For everyday situations, the best tool is your own observation skills. Build rapport, ask open-ended questions, and pay attention to how someone responds over time. Consistency is key. Lying is a complex human behavior, but with practice, you can get better at spotting it. Just remember, the goal isn't to catch every lie, but to foster honest communication in your relationships. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more fascinating psychology content. What other topics would you like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay curious.